welcome back to my channel. My name is Cash, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button and join the fam. I will be doing an apartment tour. If you guys didn't know, recently I graduated from the Florida State University this spring, but I didn't have a graduation. Corona just messed everything up, and I'm gonna be moving soon, so I thought, well, this would be a perfect time, like while I'm cleaning out my room and just about to pack my stuff up. I wanted to give you guys a room tour before I did that, just so you guys could see kind of what my college life was like, living here in Tallahassee, and what my senior apartment looked like. So stay tuned. All right, so we're in my room. So just a quick overview, this is kind of my bed. I have a duvet cover on, I have a couple pillows. I love stuffed animals, so those two were gifts. I love giraffes. Here's some of like my artwork that I have on my wall. I have a Life is Beautiful poster kind of thing, as well as a painting I did with Painting with a Twist. I led a class and we painted that, and I have a couple more kind of giraffe artworks. I really feel like this looks like me. I love this giraffe, it really feels like it's me. And I love lava lamps. Like, I really got into lava lamps once I got to college, but that's my like third lava lamp. The other ones have broke. Here's a little sign that just says Cash Cabana GVO. I'm really big on good vibes only, bad vibes. You want to keep that and negative energy away from here. I have a couple stuff down there. I have a game. I have my laundry detergent down there. I do have a laundry room, I will admit, but I can't keep it in there because I don't like when people use my stuff, and I just don't even want to like experience like not having laundry detergent, because that is just too expensive for that. So to just avoid all of that, I just keep it in my room. But I have this nice little plush chair. I got it from Walmart, and I got my bedroom slippers with this rug. I also have this cool oil wax warmer. You just put the wax in here and it just burns once you turn on the light. I have this super cute like photo corkboard thing. This was like my first day at work. Here's some of my pictures with my friends and my mom. I got a Metro card from when I went to New York. I got a Rolling Loud when I went to Rolling Loud. Football game, I went to church. And just like some cool Polaroids. Super cute. This is kind of just like my wall area. Then we move on to my desk. I have my backpack there with my chair. I just have a couple of things on here. Here's a dress that I'm making. I'm working on that. My stole, and this is my work area. I got a plaque from me and Karen Bassler, my D dress. She got me this for my birthday and got me this giraffe. Aries got that for me as a graduation present. I love it. She got me this book as well. I'm definitely gonna use that when I start going back home. Just a couple stationery things. Shout out to my tails and shout out to my aunts. If you know, you know. And here's just like my makeup area. I kind of just do my makeup in this mirror. And my Apple Watch is charging with my laptop, as well as my passion planner. I really loved my passion planner like when school was in. Right now I really don't have anything to do, but you could definitely see like when I was in school, I definitely was like utilizing it and I really loved it. Has a reflection section and everything, so definitely get a passion planner once things get normal. You need to keep track of what you need to do on a daily. And slight flex, I told you I did graduate. Yes sir, we love to see it. On this side we have the dresser drawers. These are actually, you could take one off and like just have them like underneath your bed or something, but I decided to stack them up so I could put my TV on there. And I just have my TV, and guess what I have? Another giraffe. Honestly, comment down below how much giraffes you think I have in my video or in my room. But I also had this was a gift from my friend as well, Kiara. This is, I knew her since we were in middle school. And here I have cute lights like lining my whole room. I really love it. I never have to use my light when I use it, and it really just lights my room up. Here are some drawings, some more artworks I have on my wall. I made all of these. I also have that clock. It doesn't work anymore, but when I used to use it and lay down on the bed and just like look up, it was really helpful because I could just look straight at the clock and I know what time it is. I also have this believe right where my bed is, so I could look right here and just have nice motivating words as I look out the window. This is my closet. It's a sliding door. Don't mind my closet. I'm in the process of moving. But I just have like my hamper. I have more stuff I need to give away, like a TV down there, my old TV, and then over here gives room for shoes, and then the stupid shelf. I don't know why they did that, but yeah. And we have room up here and over there. And then this is my mirror. So it's a complete two-door mirror. This is my bathroom. I just have my things up there. Just some more flowers and my mirror. And that's basically it. It has these four bulbs, but tell me how y'all like my shirt. But y'all gotta tell me how y'all like my shirt. I made it on my own. I really made everything from scratch. I bleached it, I sewed it, I cut it, I put on the straps. So, you know, if you think it's cute, I wish my mirror wasn't so dirty, but if you think it's cute, you can follow me on Instagram to order one, or just support and just follow the journey, because it will be a journey, because life is a journey. But yeah, other than that though, just like some like general specifics about my apartment, it came with all of the furniture. I did not have to buy any furniture. It came with the bed. It came with those two dresser drawers. They're actually stacked on top of each other, so if I wanted to put it under my bed, I could. But I already have stuff under my bed, more storage. So I definitely wanted to stack it on top of each other and put my TV on there. It came with the desk, it came with that chair, it came with the side table, and that's about everything that came in this room. I would say like I'm gonna make another video definitely on like how to pick a good college apartment, because I used to work as a leasing agent, and plus I do have experience picking my own college apartment from picking my own college apartment. So just those two things together, I definitely feel like I have some gems, I have some tips that I do want to give to y'all about like how to not get finessed by college apartments. But just like comment down below and give me a like if you do want that video. But yeah, this was the worst college apartment complex I've ever lived in since I've been here. I've lived in two, and this is the worst. My first unit, on my birthday, my unit literally flooded from my bathroom, and they got their lawyers involved and stuff and blamed me for flooding the unit when it was really not my fault, and I was not even home. And then the next unit we move into, that one floods too from my roommate's bathroom. From my roommate's bathroom, like the ceiling was leaking, and then my toilet breaks in this unit too. So it's like they're blaming me for the unit being flooded, or just blaming me for stuff, and I didn't do anything. Like clearly y'all units are messed up with your piping, that more than one unit flooded. But I just say that to just emphasize, like, really make sure you read the reviews when you're looking at your college apartment, and like just try to read through the fake ones, because you know some college apartments like ask people to say, hey, can you write a good review for us, like if their reviews are looking bad. So I definitely would read it, and also like kind of see patterns in what they're saying. Like if they keep saying like, oh, maintenance is trash, or you know, everything keeps breaking and they don't ever come to fix it, like you might think you're that one person that's not going to experience that, but trust me, you're going to be that one person. You're going to be that, I thought I heard something, I was so scared. You might be that one person that happens to. Like this complex, my friend lives here, nothing happened to her, But I read those reviews and I knew what I was gonna walk into, but I'm like, nah, it's not gonna be me. But I do have like more stuff and more stories I do want to share with y'all. But I would just say I'm gonna just leave this video here. I'm gonna soon I'll be packing up my room. I'm like really dreading packing up my room because I feel like it's gonna take forever. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Give me a comment down below about like some of your bad stories at your apartment complexes that you had, or some questions that you guys have for me that I would love to answer for y'all. So till the next video, y'all. Bye.